Y'all, I am so weak. It looks like a cake. It's not supposed to be a cake. It's supposed to be a cheesecake. This looks like a cake with a little bit of cheese. Oh my God. Let me. Oh my God, it's a cake. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. So for today's video, I am bringing something new to my channel. I'm bringing the Beff Cooks segment to my channel. I don't know how often I'm gonna do this, but it's really just something fun, just to give you some different food recipes to try at home. And I'm doing this Christmas edition. I found a recipe on TikTok, and yeah, I just thought it would be real fun to try. I know a lot of us are spending our Christmas at home and we're not with loved ones because of COVID. So yeah, I just wanted to do like a fun video for you guys to enjoy during the holidays. So I'm not gonna ramble on anymore, but first, before we get into this video, make sure you give this a huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you are notified each and every single time that I post. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so for today's first Beff Cooks episode, I am cooking a red velvet marble cheesecake. Now y'all, I am not a chef by far. Quarantine has just really made me want to try new things and just get better when it comes to my cooking. So yeah, I just thought this was like the perfect idea to bring to my channel. And it might be a hot mess, but that's okay, as long as I entertain you guys and I make you guys laugh. That's all that matters, right? Right. All right, so for my ingredients, I have heavy whipping cream. I have 2 8-ounce packs of cream cheese. I have sugar, I have Oreos, and I have vanilla extract, red velvet cake mix, and eggs. So I think I have every ingredient, y'all. Like I said, I'm doing this a little ghetto, so don't judge if I'm missing anything. What sold me on this recipe is I love Oreos, OMG. So when I saw this, I love red velvet cake too. So I was like, wow, the combination of my 2 favorite desserts. Gotta make this for Christmas. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be reading the recipe and the instructions. So the first step is soak your Oreos no more than 30 seconds in half and half. Layer them in your spring foam pan. We just got a regular pan. I don't know what a spring foam pan is. Don't worry, there will be a couple of gaps. Then take the Oreo minis, soak them in half, and squish them into any gaps. If there are some gaps, fill them with Oreo crumbs and set aside. So I don't have Oreo minis, I just have regular Oreos. So we're just gonna crumble up the Oreos. If there are any gaps, because I have a circular pan, so I have to pretty much line up the Oreos at the bottom of the pan, soak the Oreos in half and half, then I'm gonna line up the Oreos at the bottom of the pan, and then if there are any gaps, I'm gonna crush up Oreos to fill up the gaps. So let's do that first. All right, you guys, so I have pretty much my base put together. At the end, you saw me add cookie crumbs to the little gaps that I had. Yeah, hopefully I did that right. So I'm gonna just add, cause I didn't dip the cookie. Ooh, child. Okay, wow. They didn't tell me to do this, but I'm only adding it because I didn't let the cookie crumbs soak. For the next step, I'm going to be mixing the cheesecake batter by mixing together the cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, and vanilla until it's completely smooth and no lumps remain. Oh my God, how am I supposed to do this?
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Because it's tough. You should have it in. Oh damn, oh damn.
All right, y'all. So this has definitely been a struggle, but we gonna keep on keeping on. All right. So pretty much, I'm gonna put half of the cheesecake batter into here, and then I'm going to use. I'm gonna mix this in with 1/2 of the cheesecake batter. So let's do that. So y'all, said I was gonna make a complete fool out of myself, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Let me show y'all what I did.
Now y'all, how I did that? Like, wasted the whole egg. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. This is the first and last Beff Cooks episode. Like, I ended that immediately because this is a hot mess. All right, you guys, so on to the next step. Even though this step was a hot mess, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the batter in there. So I'm gonna insert the clip again, the step that I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to explain, but pretty much I'm gonna alternate the cheesecake batter and then the red velvet and cheesecake batter, so that it can come out looking like a little spirally. I'm sure this is gonna be another hot mess, but that's okay because we're gonna do it anyway because I'm committed. So let's do that. I have the cheesecake, I think. I have it finished. I have it prepared. My oven is set for 325. It said 325 for an hour. So I don't know what else to say. Like, it's in the Lord's hands at this point, because I really think I made a whole new concoction. Like, I don't know, y'all, but you know, I tried the best that I can, and we're gonna pop it in the oven for an hour, and I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made, because the kitchen is like a whole new kitchen right now. So yeah, I will see y'all on the flip side when it's out the oven. Y'all, I am so weak. It looks like a cake. It's not supposed to be a cake. It's supposed to be a cheesecake. This looks like a cake with a little bit of cheese. Oh my God. Let me. Oh my God, it's a cake. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I have to let it cool down for an hour. And yeah, once I let it cool down, oh my God, it's like I said, it's giving me cake vibes. Like, it's giving me red velvet cake vibes, but that's okay. We're gonna just wait until it's done cooling off. I will be back once I can give you guys a taste test. All right, y'all, so the cheesecake has been out of the oven for about an hour and 30 minutes now. I let it cool off. So I actually looked up another cheesecake recipe, and it's actually supposed to bubble up like that in the oven. It flattened out like the video. I watched a video of a guy making a red velvet cheesecake, and he said that once it cools down, it's gonna flatten back up, and it has. So this is what it looks like. It's looking alright. It's not super fancy. Had the house smelling good. So yeah, it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was, because y'all, I had to trust the process, because the process was ghetto. But that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead, do a little taste test, and I will let y'all know what it's looking like. So I cut the cheesecake up, and I have like a little piece. Just a little piece, because actually it's 10 o'clock. I have been working on this cheesecake since like 7 or 6, so I'm ready to go to sleep, and I don't need a whole slice. So let me show y'all. Okay, so first of all, I would give it like a 6 or 7 out of 10, and the reason why I say that is because it doesn't really taste like a cheesecake. It kind of tastes like red velvet cake. Like, it doesn't taste like a cheesecake. So I definitely think that I should have added more cream cheese into that cream cheese mix, because that red velvet is like, it really overpowers it. So it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but like I said, I don't bake often. I cook regular like food. More so than I bake. I usually go out to restaurants and stores to get, baked goods like cheesecake. So yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's not terrible, but I definitely wouldn't serve this for like, I wouldn't serve it for like, a dinner party or something like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get like some frosting to go over it, because like I said, it has more of a cake consistency, not a cheesecake consistency. So yeah, y'all, I really can't even tell y'all if it's a fail or not. Just know that I did it. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is just something to entertain you guys for the holidays. I really hope you guys have a safe Christmas. So Merry Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas. I really hope you guys enjoy yourself, and most of all, just make sure you guys stay safe, stay masked up, stay social distance up, wash your hands, don't be nasty, wash your hands. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, share this video, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next one.